spending time with your family. You say, wait a minute, that's why I feel like my time is going, right? I can't find time to spend with my family. I can find time to do all this other stuff, but I can't find time to spend with my family. Anas ibn Malik radiallahu anhu narrates that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Man ahabba an yubsata lahu fi rizqihi wa yunsa'a lahu fi atharihi falyasir rahimah." Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever wants to be granted more wealth and have their life extended, then let them keep a good relationship with their family ties. Let them establish their family ties. You think to yourself, wait a minute, family pulls me away from being able to make money properly. I've got to do more in my career, and that's why I don't have time for my family. I don't have time for my family because I got to do this. You still find time for the leisure, you still find time for all the, but I don't have time for my family because I got to do this important stuff. Okay? And the Prophet ﷺ is saying that in the design of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, spending time with your family, being good to your family, actually increases the barakah of your earning and the barakah of your time. And we trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with that. And that's why you read about the Prophet ﷺ. You say, how was he able to balance? Allah put barakah, blessing in what the Prophet ﷺ did in his time, in every way possible. And silatul rahim starts with your parents. Starts with your parents if your parents are alive, right? It starts with your spouses, then your children, then the closer, your uncles, your aunts, and so on and so forth. There's blessing that comes from that, blessing that comes from the dua of those people, blessing that comes from the rida, from the pleasure of those people. And so all of us should take that as a sign. You know what? No, I'm not going to relinquish those family ties in the name of what? In the name of making more money or making better use of my time. Because the Prophet ﷺ said, the opposite is in fact true.